Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Spot and Paste YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you all here with me today. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. We are halfway through our series on 7 proven strategies to increase your Shopify sales. And today we're going to cover email marketing. Email marketing accounts for approximately 23% of sales, rendering it one of the most effective marketing channels at your disposal. Successful online retailers know that one of the most reliable and profitable methods is email marketing. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do I start? Where do I begin? So today we are going to be exploring specific steps that you need to take if you want to get good results when you're running an email campaign. You can use it alongside with other online marketing strategies to grow your business even faster. So here are 5 tips to improve your email marketing. So tip number 1, harness the power of power-ups. Or pop-ups, sorry. Harness the power of pop-ups. You can't really do much with your email audience if you don't have one. So we're gonna go ahead and start there. Love them or hate them, pop-ups are easily the most effective way to build your list. Our customers typically see a list increase of 2.5 to 3 times within 12 months of implementing pop-ups on their site. But that doesn't mean that all pop-ups are made equal. The common denominator of a powerful pop-up is the incentive. You want to make sure that your visitors have a reason to sign up. Customers have seen as much as a 1,200% increase in monthly signups compared to their previous pop-ups, offering 10% off to their visitors on their next purchase. Now you can take this incentive even further with a 1-2 combination. Their first pop-up drives customers to purchase immediately with both discount and a countdown timer. So tip number 2, send irresistible welcome messages. A visitor has subscribed, and that's just the beginning. Start the conversation with a welcome message or a sequence. Not sending a welcome message after someone signs up is like making a new friend, inviting them over for dinner, but then not really opening up the door when they show up. Don't do that. From a pragmatic perspective, welcome emails are open 57.8% of the time compared to 14.6% of standard promotional emails. But how do you make your very first hello irresistible? Well, 2 ways. First, if a new subscriber signed up because of an offer, give it to them. That might sound pretty obvious, but dropping the ball on immediate gratification, or worse, mixing up your offer and delivery is disastrous. Second, make your welcome email ooze your brand's personality. Okay, we're doing that branding challenge, so make sure you sign up. Link in the description. So now tip number 3. Personalize, personalize, personalize. According to June 2017 report from One Stop, U.S. marketing executives say that email attributed 21% of the total revenue in the second quarter of 2017, and that continues to go up 17% year after year. Emails are a way for brands to become more connected with their subscribers with the goal of reaching out on an individual level with each potential customer. Additionally, if your first email is general, like presents multiple connections or product categories, track where subscribers click, and based on their interests, segment them into different groups and send automatically targeted sequences to follow up. Even better, track your subscribers' on-site activity and send follow-ups with the exact products they've recently viewed. Sure, you notice Amazon does that. This will help you to increase your overall sales by targeting customers based on what they want to see. Sending personalized emails results in an open rate lift of 134% and a click rate lift of 254% and a conversion rate lift of 257%. So get on it. So tip number 4, write source-based messages. Source-based emails begin with subscription offers that are segment or product specific and lead into emails that follow suit. This is a more detailed form of a personalization that shows your subscribers you're attentive to what they want. For example, if a visitor signs up through a men's clothing page versus a woman's clothing page, you cater to your welcome sequence to products that you can safely assume they're going to be interested in. So don't be sending them the women's clothing if they were on the men's clothing, okay? Now, tip number 5, use your channels in unison. Your website isn't the only asset you have online. You should make use of all of your internet real estate, including your social media profiles. The secret is to create experiences across your various channels unique to each one rather than serving up the same content on every medium. If you're interested in seeing quick wins or low-hanging fruit, look into Instagram shopping or Twitter lead generation cards, which enables visitors to quickly fill out email information. Now, your business can also make use of Facebook by creating a lookalike audience and leading to a Facebook sign-up tab. So, at the end, okay, let's pay no mind to the growth hacking flavors of the month. Amidst changing algorithms, emerging platforms, and various other trends, email marketing and e-commerce remains the least expensive but the most reliable revenue driver. So don't forget about it. Focus on making this connection and implement the advice that I've been talking about, and you will build a loyal customer base. So here are a few options to get you started. 1, you can use MailChimp. 2, Constant Contact is also a great email marketing software that you can use. 3, you can use Salesforce. And then ActiveCampaign is also really good. It's expensive, but you have so many features. All right. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope that you've gotten a lot of information out of it, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Now, please make sure that you click the link below and to subscribe, and also hit the bell so that you get notified whenever more videos come out. And if you have not signed up to join our branding challenge, you need to do so right now. The link will be in the description below. We are going to be doing a 30-day challenge to help you brand your business correctly. Then you can take that and use it in your email marketing campaign. So, all right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.